What if your next viral marketing poster looked like this and only took one sentence and one click? Today we're using CapCut's AI Design with Nano Banana Pro to create scroll and stopping visuals you can use for your brand, products, or side hustles. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get creative. Nano Banana Pro is Google's upgraded image model inside CapCut's AI Design. Clean text, consistent subjects, pro-level posters, and the right vibe every time. That's why Nano Banana Pro plus CapCut AI Design equals the king of marketing posters. Just describe what you want and CapCut builds the entire campaign. Then turn any design into a TikTok reel or short with CapCut's AI video tool in minutes. Okay, so now I'm on a Google website. All right, so we're going to put in CapCut so we can go to the website. Okay, so there you go, CapCut. Click on CapCut, AI-powered video editor for everyone. You see the download for free, try online button. Okay, so you click on, and now you says, welcome to CapCut. You can sign in through Google, with TikTok, with your Facebook, or continue with the CapCut mobile. Now I'm on the CapCut website, okay? And we're gonna do under the AI tools, we're gonna click on AI Design, Nano Banana Pro. I'm so excited. We're gonna be making a poster today. Look how much you can do with this. So many different things you can do. But we're gonna do the product poster set. Okay, so now I'm on CapCut AI Design. I am going to the AI Design to design a poster for my coffee, okay? All right, so let's check out some of the different stunning visuals that they do with the AI Design, what we can create. Instagram post set, outfit swap. I like that. Shampoo poster, YouTube thumbnails. Oh, yes. Okay. Pixel art poster. That's cute. Logo design. Oh, I have another company. I need a logo. I will be using that later. All right. Photo editing. Animated poster. Oh my goodness. All right. So now we're going to upload an image of my coffee. All right, check it out. It's in my store, okay, inside your Hustle Coffee. And I had to prompt it. So I put in a prompt, create a bold promotional poster for my Inside Your Hustle medium roast coffee blend. Use warm browns and gold, including a streaming coffee cup. All right, let's see. Oh, that was fast. Oh my goodness. A sophisticated and bold promotional poster designed for social media. Oh, look at the colors, just what I asked for. Oh my God, look at the gold. See, I love how that gold and brown just work together. Oh my goodness, the gold highlights. Do you see that? And the steam. Look at the steam. And then it has my coffee right on the side. I love it. Like, don't forget to buy it. I love it. Yes. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful poster that I could put all over social media to sell my coffee. Okay, it's in my store and I could just sell it with all the posters and I could put the link down below wherever I put the posters. I can even put this poster in my blog. You see what I mean? You can put this everywhere. Oh, I love this. What a great promotional poster. New blend, hustle fuel for busy entrepreneurs. Yes. So now I'm going to put in a prompt. I'm going to upload my image of the beautiful poster that the CapCut AI Design did for me. And now I'm going to go bilingual. You hear me? I'm prompting it to do it in English, Spanish, and French. All right. Now we did see it in English. Let's see it in Spanish and French. Let's see. Ooh, okay, that's English. Let's see some other languages. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now it is in Spanish and now French. Oh, we going bilingual with this coffee. Did you see that? I'm going to be selling it everywhere. I'm going to every country, everywhere, in every language. This is how you sell a product. All right, so now I'm on AI Design. I'm going to upload my logo, okay? My Inside Your Hustle logo. I'm going to prompt it and I'm going to change it up a little bit, okay? I want to change the palette of my logo. I'm going to change it up, give me four different versions. They're asking me what kind of color palette what I'm looking for. And I'm going to tell them black, white, and cream. So now it's going to create the Inside Your Hustle in those colors. Ooh, I love that H. Okay, I'm feeling that arrow. Like you all the way up when you hustle. I like that. Look at the gray, look at the black and white. Oh, look at the creams. Oh, I love how that cream is behind it. It softens up that black. Oh my goodness. Let's pick some fun colors now. I'm going to prompt it, you see? And it's coming up with some new colors. And I said add some gold to it. So let's see if it can add some gold to the logo. I'm going to actually use this. This is nice. I don't know, maybe on some merch? We'll see. I like it. Something different. I like how the H looks. Okay. Whoa. Ooh, that's hot. I love it. I can use this on stationery. I like that one with the gold. I can see that on my paperwork, on my station. I can see that on my envelopes. Oh, some more fun designs. So you just have to prompt it and it'll just keep going and going. I love CapCut AI. Oh, the AI design is everything. They're giving me a different variation of my logo. And I'm going to actually use some of these probably for merch. Whoa, I like this. Oh, I like the one on the right-hand side. Oh my goodness. I love it with the burgundy, the warm colors. Look at this one. Oh, I like how the arrow goes up. Oh my goodness. I'm about to export this and I'm about to download it and use this on my merch. If you see this on my hats, on my hoodie, on my stationery, make sure you buy it. Okay, I love it. You need to start working on your logos and improving them, having more than one to put on, variations to put on your merch, put on all your different little products on your, oh my goodness, you could do so much with that. And you see, you did that and you created all that just from a prompt. So now I'm on more tools. Go to more tools. And underneath that, you're going to click on AI video. Okay, so now we're going to take that same poster and we're going to upload the image, import the image. You remember the poster? Now I put in a prompt to bring the poster, to add some motion to the poster. Let's check it out. Wow. Did you see the steam? Did you see the steam? Okay, I love it. Right now, there's a limited time free access to Nano Banana Pro. So this is the perfect moment to test it out without paying extra. Comment CapCut and I'll comment back the link. Or click the link in my description to start designing your own marketing poster today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try Nano Banana Pro with CapCut AI Design. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.